today I have with me Willow. Willow is a 1-year-old pit hound. I believe there was also a little bit of lab in there mixed, who just got dropped off for our famous 2-week board and train program. Willow is the proud child of the household. Mom has 2 young puppies at home, and Willow is the one that just never stops and does not have an off switch. So just needs a little help getting some boundaries in her house and getting some structure. She's a very, very sweet girl, no behavioral issues. She loves people, she loves dogs. She's got a little bit of anxiety, obviously, but I think some of that is just based off of Mom being gone. Otherwise, I have not seen anything really. She chilled out fantastically. So let's go ahead and see what she will do starting off. I know she knows the basics, but she is very food motivated, so we might need a treat. Willow, come. Good girl. Good job, girlfriend. Willow, sit. Good girl. Willow, down. Whoa, down. Do I need a treat for that one? Down. Not today. Not sure if she knows. I want to have a place. Willow, place. Willow, place. Oh, I think my place cut's a little scary. All right, guys. So we definitely have sit. Past that, I'm not quite sure, but I cannot wait to show you her transformation in 2 weeks. She's gonna do awesome. Enjoy. Come on,